All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Back over here at Newport Beach. Got this hand distressed floor we've been working on. We are moving and grooving. Getting close, getting close. Let's see, turn this around. Got the Christmas decorations up. And today we will be working on getting this thing taken care of. We won't be up here for another hour or so. Got to work around this furniture, get these steps done. All of this is completed. They took the furniture down yesterday and moved it here. But look at this, man. What a difference. What a difference. Gonna be finishing up the kitchen today. Got this little area over here we're gonna have to finish. There it is. And immediately we're going to jump in here and get the baby's room finished. We finished this section the very first day, but the crib they didn't want to take apart, so we moved over here, got this half done. So today we'll finish this. But here you go, instant before and after. There's the before, all wore out, ugly. That's the during. Boom, there's that beautiful after. There you go, all in one. Yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy.